Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Now we have 41,988 miles on the odometer. Now if you see anything flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, not in person. This interior is incredible. Absolutely gorgeous, non-smoker, beautiful, beautiful car. Pretty much full body PPF. I got it in Sport Plus, using the paddle shifters. Alignment feels good, steering wheel's nice and straight, and this car is very low, especially with the carbon aero kit. Brakes feel solid, steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Car's pretty bumpy, but this road is really, really bumpy. So I think it's doing a great job, especially being how low this car is. I'm gonna take it out of manual mode and just put it into sport. Just kind of cruise it. These seats are really, really comfy. Love the steering wheel. Just kind of barely getting on it, just so you can hear the shifts. There's really no complaints with the car whatsoever. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car pretty much has full body PPF paint protection film, excluding a little piece back here and the back bumper. So I'm going to go through that real quick. So the entire fender, the entire hood, the headlights have it, this gloss black trim, and even up to about right there. So when you have the little textured part, it doesn't have that protected, but right there and up, fully protected. And here under all of that, you have film right here, and then all of the white, of course. So full front clip, side mirrors, all of this trim is protected. Now this has a gloss black vinyl across it. So not PPF necessarily, but it is something that is protecting it. And then here on the roof, full protection on PPF. The entire door, the lower rocker, and the carbon trim. Now that little section right there, that does not have any film. Then the entire quarter, roof, spoiler, deck lid. And the only thing, like I said, is everything from the bumper back. Now right here on that very edge, you do have a little strip there protecting it. Now that has yellowed. The rest of this PPF, I don't see any yellowing. And whoever installed it did a killer job, because it really took a while to go through the edges and really feel everything to try to find out if there's film on there or not. They did a killer job on it. But beautiful, beautiful car. Fully tinted front windshield, tint on the sides, bunch of aero. This car is insane looking. Here on this wheel. At some point it did have rash. And I can see some texture right here, and they painted it. So you see the heavy orange peel, and then you have that nice satin finish right there. So at some point some rash was there, and they had that painted. Date code on the tire, 2023. They are Michelin's Pilot Sports M01s. And then you got the carbon ceramics, red calipers. Overall, that looks really good. The fender looks amazing. We have the gloss black here, gloss black on this trim, and everything else is PPF. So this is a vinyl, and that is a vinyl. Got the door, looks incredible, very clean. Got the carbon. Looking at that carbon, that looks good. Super low car. Trying to get under here. You can see the carbon looks like maybe, trying to pull that back a little bit. Looks like it gashed this, so you're gonna see that frayed stuff. It's really hard to tell how much of the carbon's damaged. I think it did peel that carbon back right there. It did gash it. Rest that looks good. Quarter panel, nice and clean. Looking at this wheel, beautiful finish. It does not look like it had any repair at any point. Still has that matte look to it. That looks awesome. Nice and clean. Roof looks good. Do have a couple snags here. That could be a potential rock chip, but it's hard to tell if it impacted the paint. Carbon right there. Small little impacts. The rest that looks good. If you look close on this plastic, you're going to see a lot of rock impacts. There's no protection on that, of course, but there is on the paint. And then when you get close here, you'll see all those impacts. Now that strip, like I said, has PPF. This down does not. A couple little impacts on that film, and this car's so low, but let's try to get under here. So right there on the edge, you can see rash, and that grazed the bumper and kind of shaved it, so that is damaged. Looking on that splitter, that is really tough to get under there, but feeling the edge. Some light rash under there. I mean, it is a little edge protector. It's very subtle. And then looking at that edge, and the bumper looks good. Good. Wheels nice and clean. Date code 2023. Looking at the skirt here, looks like we have a little bit of rash right there. It's very subtle. You can't really see it just walking around the car. If you look at the windshield, you're going to see it's peppered with rock impacts, little things like that. I'm not seeing any cracks yet, but you know, just the little texture from 40,000 miles of driving, really. Door looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Overall, that looks good. Looking for the date code 2023. Got the carbon spoiler fully wrapped in PPF. There's no film on the back bumper, like I mentioned. Getting underneath here. The blades look good on that diffuser. I don't see any rash. Same here. Looks good. Got the carbon on the emblem. Here in the trunk, looks good. All of that's nice and clean. Really good. Got the tiniest little scuff right here, and they even did the PPF on that edge. All right, looking at the interior, got the gorgeous red on black with the Alcantara inserts. non-smoker, super clean in here. Looks really, really good. Here on that leather, upper section's perfect. Some very light scuffs there. Memory seating. Those buttons look good. That looks nice. We do have some wrinkles and imperfections right there on that edge. This carbon looks awesome. Typical scuffs from getting in and out right here. Got some scratches and gashes across the sticker. Little chip on the paint. That bolster looks good. Here on that bolster there on the upper section, you do have some little cracks right there actually. Someone kind of scratched it. Some flaws. Upper side of the leather looks good. Bottom's nice and clean. You have a very deep wrinkle there. That's probably factory. You can see that. Here on the steering wheel, some very light scuffs. Little fingernail scratches. The rest of that looks good. Alcantara on the dash. Nice and clean. Parking sensors. That screen looks good. Heated seats. Buttons look awesome. Here on this door panel, the upper leather looks incredible. That handle is nice and clean. Buttons look good. Tiniest little mark right there. Got all the Alcantara, which looks good. Really, the rest of that panel looks perfect. That trim looks nice. Carpets look good. Here on the seat bolster, that's in great condition. Now you do have a little bit of wear on that edge, just from the seatbelt kind of rubbing it. The Alcantara here looks good. You do see some wear on that edge. Some slight discoloration. Console looks good. Got the cup holder. Alcantara there. Looking up here on the dash, there is some slight separation right there on that. So you're going to see that bump. Other than that, looks good. Headliner's clean. Alright, we're just going to scan through all of this. This is really, really clean. Looking at the plastics, all nice and clean. The liners look good. Underside of the hood is clean.